Welcome back. In this video, we'll try to understand ASME SA 516, its uses, advantages, limitations, other equivalent standards, and the requirements. Uses of SA 516. Number one is extensively used for fabricating pressure vessels, boilers, cryogenic tanks, in refineries, chemical plants, and gas processing plants. Also used in power generation plants where robustness against moderate and lower temperature and hydrogen-induced cracking is needed. Because since this have got good notch toughness and weldability, it is used for moderate and lower temperature services. Advantages: since this have got excellent weldability quality, easily welded using conventional technique. Good notch toughness, suitable for lower temperature services, versatile and reliable, widely stocked with consistent mechanical properties, standardized, meet international codes for pressure equipments. Disadvantages: not suitable for high temperature or highly corrosive environment. SA 516 plates tends to hydrogen-induced cracking in shore service unless specially tested as per the HIC NACE. These plates not for extremely thick or extreme temperature applications. Alternative material may be required for sewer service. Then equivalent of SA 516 is EN 10028-2 and SA 516 have got three grades, namely 60, 65 and 70. For grade 60, the equivalent grade of EN is P265GH. For 65, it is P295GH, and for 70, it is P355GH. Here P is the pressure vessel plates. This 265, 295, 355 are yield strength, minimum yield strength required, and GH is for high temperature services. Then we will see the requirement of SA 516. The specification for pressure vessel plates of carbon steel for moderate and lower temperature services. This is identical with ASTM specification A516. Then the scope. This specification covers carbon steel plates intended primarily for service in welded pressure vessels where improved notch toughness is important. Plates under the specifications are available in 4 grades. The grade 55 is not widely used. 60, 65 and 70, these 3 grades are very important. Then reference documents, ASTM standards, A20 for general requirement is important document, and A435 is for straight beam ultrasonic testing, and A577 is for ultrasonic angle beam testing. Then the steel making practice: steel shall be killed and shall conform to the fine austenitic grain size requirement of specification A20. About heat treatment of the plate. Plates below 40 mm thickness are normally supplied as rolled condition. It means it is without heat treatment, but the plates may be ordered normalized and stress relieved, or both. But when notch toughness tests are required on the plate 40 mm and below in thickness, the plate shall be normalized unless otherwise specified by the purchaser. But the plate 40 mm and above in thickness shall be normalized. Then if approved by the purchaser, normalizing cooling rate faster than those obtained by cooling in the air are permissible for improvement of toughness. But there is a condition: provided the plates are subsequently tempered in the temperature range of 595 to 705 degrees centigrade. This is important. Then chemical composition as per table 1. We'll see the table 1 here. This is table 1, chemical requirements. You can see this note A here for carbon, and then phosphorus and sulfur. These values are applied to both heat and product analysis. See, carbon content increases with the grades. Also, carbon content increases with the increase of thickness. See, for 12.5 millimeter and below, it is 0.18, whereas 12.5 to 50 millimeter thickness, it is 0.2. Then phosphorus and sulfur, 0.025%. It is common for all the thicknesses, all the grades. Silicon have heat analysis different requirement than product analysis, but for all the grades it is 0.15 to 0.4% for heat analysis and 0.13 to 0.45 for product analysis for all the grades. The last is manganese content. This is different for heat analysis than product analysis. Also, manganese content is different for thickness 12.5 millimeter below and different for thickness over 12.5 millimeter. Again, there is a note B here for manganese that says same like SA 515, that is for each reduction of 0.01% point below the specified maximum for carbon, an increase of 0.06% point above the specified maximum for manganese is permitted, and maximum permission is up to 1.5% for heat analysis and 1.6 for product analysis. And there is a note C also here that says grade 60 plates, thickness below 12.5 millimeter may have this manganese for heat analysis and this requirement for product analysis. So slightly there is a plus value for manganese content for grade 60. Then tension test as per table 2. Go to table 2. This is table 2, tensile test requirement. Tensile strength, inside the bracket it is MPa, and outside the bracket this is KSI, kilo pound per square inch, or MPa. We use MPa. Tensile strength, yield strength increases with the grades as the grade increases, whereas elongation decreases as the grade increases. Then applicable supplementary requirement, if purchasers wish, the important is product analysis and simulated post-welded treatment test coupon, additional tension test, then Charpy notch impact test, yes, it is required here. Then high temperature tension test may not be required for this. Then we have ultrasonic test for straight beam 435, and MPa may not be required, but ultrasonic examination by angle beam method as per A577. Additional supplementary requirement, which is for SA 516 plate used in the service of hydrofluoric acid alkylation services. Otherwise, this is not required. That's all for this SA 516. I hope you find the content of this video are useful to you. Please like and subscribe my channel and inform to your friends also. Thank you.